The rain is falling all around. It falls on the fields and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the fields and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Children, did you enjoy singing the poem? I'm sure you did. Now let's get familiar with the words in the poem. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Got it, children? Now let's read the new words which are given below. Rain. Falling. Around. Field. Tree. Umbrella. Ship. Sea. Let's read once again all the words, children. Rain, falling, around, field, tree, umbrella, ship and sea. Now below there are 3 questions given. Let's read and answer the questions. Name the things that you see in the picture. बच्चों, इस पिक्चर में क्या क्या नजर आ रहा है? Yes, dark clouds, trees, umbrella, ship, हरे हरे खेत जिसे हम field या farms भी कहते हैं. What else do you see in the picture? In the rains, we also see the rain creatures like the frogs, snail and earthworm. Next question. Where does the rain fall? The rain falls everywhere, on the trees, field, ship and the umbrellas. The last question. Where do you see the ship? Ships are seen on the sea. Got it, children? Now for homework, children, you will draw a rainy day. Draw the things where the rain falls. You can also draw rain creatures. Okay, children? That's all for today, class. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.